Hello students, today we will understand AAA similarity. In this theorem, the statement is if in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or proportional, and hence the two triangles are similar. Students, we have to prove this theorem. So here I am making you understand how to prove this theorem. First of all, we draw two triangles ABC and DEF. It is given, whatever given in the statement, we write here. In two triangles ABC and DEF, angle A equal to angle D, angle B equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F. These are given. To prove, we write down to prove triangle ABC similar triangle DEF. Now we write prove. Case first. Student, here we take three cases. Case first, when AB is equal to DE. Angle A equal to angle D. Angle B is equal to angle E. And angle C is equal to angle F. It is given. According to case first, we have AB equal to DE. That means triangle ABC congruent triangle DEF by angle side angle congruency, which we have studied in class 9. This implies AB equal to DE, BC equal to EF and AC equal to DF. AB equal to DE we have supposed, and these are by CPCT. So we can say that AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by DF. Hence triangle ABC similar triangle DEF. Is clear, students? Now we will discuss on case 2. Case 2 is when AB is less than DE. Look how will we prove the case 2. Here we draw two triangles ABC, DEF. Suppose a point P on DE and Q on DF, such that AB equal to DP and AC equal to DQ. Students, this is construction. We need to draw join PQ in triangle ABC and triangle DPQ. Look carefully, ABC and DPQ. We have AB equal to DP, AC equal to DQ by construction, and angle A equal to angle D. It is given. So we can say triangle ABC congruent triangle DPQ, side angle side congruency. This implies angle B equal to angle P by CPCT. But angle B equal to angle E, it is given. So we can say that angle P is equal to angle E. That is PQ parallel EF. Corresponding angles are equal. That's why we can say DP by DE is equal to DQ by DF. Corollary of basic proportionality theorem. This is clear, students. Now we can say AB by DE equal to AC by DF, since DP equal to AB and DQ equal to AC. Look the figure carefully, we will understand. Similarly, we can say AB by DE equal to BC by EF. This implies AB by DE equal to BC by EF equal to AC by DF. Hence, triangle ABC similar triangle DEF. In case third, when AB is greater than DE, we take a point P on DE. P produced when DE produced, then we take a point P, and when DF produced to Q, such that DP equal to AB and DQ equal to AC. Join PQ from triangle ABC and triangle DPQ. AB equal to DP from construction, AC equal to DQ from construction, and angle A equal to angle D. Hence we can say that triangle ABC congruent triangle DPQ by SAS congruency. This implies angle B equal to angle P, and but we have angle B equal to angle E. It means angle P equal to angle E, corresponding angles. So we can say that EF parallel PQ. So DE by DP equal to DF by DQ by converse of BPT basic proportionality theorem. That means DE by AB equal to DF by AC, since AB equal to DP and AC equal to DQ. So by taking reciprocal, we say AB by DE equal to AC by DF, and similarly we can say that AB by DE equal to BC by EF equal to AC by DF. So hence triangle ABC similar triangle DEF. Now students, we discuss case, we understood case third, when AB is greater than DE. It is clear? So this is the process by which we can prove AAA angle similarity. This is important. You should revise this theorem. Now this is a corollary that is related to AAA similarity. There is one angle similarity. This is very important. If two angles of one triangle are respectively equal to two angles of another triangle, then the two triangles are similar. We will prove easily in triangle in triangle ABC and triangle DEF. It is given angle A equal to angle D, angle B equal to angle E. So students, we can say angle C equal to angle F, third angles of triangles. Very simple. Hence triangle ABC similar triangle DEF from AAA similarity. Just we have proved it. Hence this is AA similarity also proved. So these theorems important, and you have to revise it. Fine.